Alright, quick history lesson. Did you know that Mamaki created the world's first high-definition eco-mold solvent printer at low cost back in 2002? Yes, the JV3 series revolutionised the way we thought and produced graphics. It was really a game changer. Alright, what the JV3 series did, it actually changed market perception. So the industry and the market was actually drawn to that conclusion regarding how they should be producing graphics. It was revolutionary at the time. Okay, and I can remember my phone constantly ringing. Brad, I need to know about this printer. Brad, I need to know, what's this JV3? It was a really amazing time to be in print and wide format game. 17 years later, we're starting to see similar synergies with a current product that Mamaki has in its portfolio. The UCJV300 Series LED UV Printer cutter is starting to revolutionise the market currently, where we're seeing industry change because of the features, the benefits, and the application diversity of the UCJV300. Stay tuned, come back, and I'll tell you the top 5 features regarding the UCJV300. Alright, Mamaki's UCJV300 Series. This is an LED UV printer cutter in the one platform. We have 4 models in the series. So we start at 750mm, go to 107, then go to 1.3 and 1.6 meters wide. So lots of versatility there regarding printer choice. Alright, first and foremost is the application of what we're actually doing, LED UV curable printing. Alright, there's so much benefits regarding LED, and the way we're moving forward with ink chemistry, we're changing the game, how we actually are putting print down to various products. The beauty of LED is very low power consumption. Alright, so very economical and very green solution to run. But the big feature here is the immediate post-production features. We are not waiting for the ink to dry. We're not waiting for any drying or outgassing. We can actually post-produce graphics immediately once printed. That means laminate immediately. That means cutting immediately, which it can go back through the machine. So we've got immediate post-production benefits across the board with the UCJV300 series. Alright, the next one is simply media choice. We have got such a wide opportunity of solutions regarding the UCJV300 series. Alright, and the reason why, we don't really try and restrict and say, okay, you need to use a particular coated or uncoated stock. We normally just portray to the market, this is your restrictions, and it's more what the machine can physically handle from a roll-to-roll point of view. So for example, we can take 40 kilos of roll weight up to 250mm in diameter and 1mm and under in thickness. Now, if you're within those guidelines, we can actually try and print on the product. Our minimum width of product is 210mm. All right, so there's such a wide gamut of opportunity on what we can print on. And that is the beauty of the Mamaki UCJV300 series. We are opening up opportunity for the end user. For example, if you wanted to print onto a colored stock, okay, we can print onto a colored stock. Okay, if you wanted to print on a paper stock that's uncoated, we can print onto a paper stock that is uncoated. So lots of choice and versatility, which is changing and revolutionizing the print industry because you're creating the solution for your application. We're not restricting you in any way. Also, we're not adding any heat to the print process. So we're actually printing LED UV, curing, purely pinning from on top. There is no underneath heat that we're actually changing the composition or anything of the films to actually finish our prints. So everything's happening on top and nothing's happening underneath. So that's great for stability, for print quality and print production speeds, because we're not generating huge amounts of heat to actually create a finished product. Really important with the UCJV300 series. Now let's go over some of the print benefits regarding the UCJV300 series. We can actually do multi-layer printing to create different effects and benefits and application solutions regarding the UCJV300 series. So we can print all the way up to 5 layers simultaneously. It's the beauty of LED UV printing. We can multi-layer without the worry of drying because we're doing all that immediately. 5 layers, simultaneous printing. Now you might say, okay, why do you need to do 5-layer printing? Well, think of this. Imagine if you could create a 2-way retail window graphic, all right, with the one print. Okay, so we will have a black channel in the middle, 2 outside whites, then your inside view graphic and your outside window view graphic, all from the one graphic and the one application. Huge benefits on the UCJV300 that you simply just can't do with other formats. So that's up to 5 layers printing simultaneous on the UCJV300. Alright, so let's talk about the cutting features in the UCJV300 series. We've got all our line standard features regarding our kiss cut, our half cut, which is our die cut feature, also mark detect. All those features are applied in the UCJV300, but we've gone one step further. We've got a feature there now that's called ID cut. Now what this does, this enables us to actually produce an identification mark so we can do batch printing and cutting. So think about this. You're doing various jobs in the multiples all over a roll. You can actually apply that print job, take it out, laminate that job, bring it back in with the ID registration mark information. We can now pick up that mark and we will actually source the correct data to cut that job. Brilliant functionality. Why can we do it? We've now got a software working in the background called Cutting Link that stores all the cut data, waiting for the detection of that identification code, and then it will send down the correct data to do it. So a really autonomous, really great improved feature that we now have on the UCJV300 ID cut. So let's talk performance guarantees regarding the UCJV300 and the Mimaki ink systems. So Mimaki's work with both Avery Dennison and 3M to align certain programs and certainty performance guarantees that give you peace of mind. So we've got those platforms both with Avery as a performance guarantee, and we can even go up to a match component system warranty with 3M with our LUS 200 inks also. And one more value-added benefit regarding our ink solution, we now have a clear option that we can apply on the UCJV300. So if you want to provide a high gloss spot varnish or even a matte type clear finish, we now have that solution also regarding the UCJV300 series. Here at Mimaki, our slogan is powering creativity, and that's exactly what the UCJV300 series does. The choice is yours. Application diversity, setting you apart from your competition. If you're looking for a new sign and display commercial wide format printer, you just must look at the UCJV300 series. Thanks for watching. For more videos on Mimaki, please make sure that you subscribe to our Mimaki channel.